Welcome back. Tourist taxi operators are not satisfied with the government notified fare hike. Transport Department has notified taxi fare hike by 10 to 15%. However, the taxi operators are demanding a hike up to 25%. Transport Director Arun Desai claims taxi operators have agreed to the rate chart. When questioned, tourist taxi operators told Prudent that they will yet again meet the Chief Minister with their demand. Transport Department has issued a notification specifying a hike of 10 to 15% on taxi fares. Earlier, tourist taxi operators were agitated, demanding a hike up to 25%. Following series of meetings with tourist taxi operators, government has fixed the hike rate to 10 to 15%.
The fares of tourist taxi have been notified, wherein there is an increase of 15% from the existing rates.
Now have a look at the fare chart for point to point for tourist taxi services.
Last meetings which were taken by Honorable CM and Honorable Transport Minister along with Taxi Association, North Goa, South Goa Tourist Taxi Associations, it was decided. It was decided in the month of March but could not be published or made effective due to Model Code of Conduct.
When Prudent contacted the taxi operators on no enforcement, they claimed that they are not satisfied with the hike and would meet the CM with their demands again. Omkar Fadari for Prudent. On the other side, Transport Department has decided to act stringent on drivers violating traffic rules. People using laminated or film glasses to vehicles will be fined up to 2,000 rupees. Motor vehicles having fancy number plates will also be fined up to 2,000 rupees. Transport Department has challened about 1,471 motor vehicles in its recent extensive enforcement drive.
Filming, normally it was considered under general offence of Motor Vehicle Act. Now what we have done is it has been taken under violation of registration 192(1) of Motor Vehicle Act, because when the vehicle is registered it doesn't have a film, or rather it doesn't have tinted glasses, but people put on this film subsequently, which becomes violation of registration condition. Okay, and the fine varies. For general offence it is 100 rupees and for violation of registration condition it is 2000 rupees. In the registration, when a vehicle comes for registration, the size of the lettering style is prescribed. Okay. However, we have observed that at the time of registration people put that number plate and subsequently they add many things to it. They sometimes change the size of this one. GA01 is written very small, meaning making it difficult to identify if there is any violation or when the vehicle is passing on the road. So that's the reason this one was taken.
Thieves struck Digital World, a mobile store at Mapsa on Monday night. Owner claims that thieves decamped with mobile sets, LCD laptops, all costing about 3 lakhs. This is the third time theft has been reported in this shop, which is located in the center of Mapsa city. Thieves entered the shop by dismantling the CCTV cameras.
Side shutter on this side of the shop is opened, and immediately I dialed 100 and called the Mapsa police. Samsung display counter, live demo counter we have. All the handsets, the working handsets have been taken away, they have been robbed. LCD has been robbed from inside. Many of my customers repairing handsets have been taken. Our recharge voucher, from the recharge voucher box, the cash on that box has been taken.
Total?
The cash in the voucher box was about 10,000 rupees, but the mobiles, the total cost of mobile phones are about 2,85,000, and there were other things like laptops and all which have not been taken. This is the third time actually this has happened to me. Camera has been broken from the before entering from the side. They entered, they have broken their camera. There is another camera which is looking at that camera, so we might get some footage from there. And the lights have just come, so we'll just check it.
Total how much?
Total will be around 3 lakh rupees.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.